Professor Vipin Chopre, working as an assistant professor in Department of Engineering Sciences at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you a model of a quadrant system. It is very important as far as engineering graphics subject is concerned. Consider these are the four quadrants: first, second, third, and fourth. Let the object is situated in the first quadrant. Consider this is as the first quadrant and all planes are transparent. So this is the vertical plane, this one is the horizontal plane, and this one is the profile plane. Consider your object is situated in the first quadrant, then you are observing from this end. So where will be the front view will go? It will go on the vertical plane. And where will be the top view go? It will go on the horizontal plane. But as the eyesight is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, we are not able to observe the top view on this plane. That's why we are going to rotate it clockwise in the downward direction. So now the positions of the first angle projection method for the object is front view is in the vertical plane and top view is in the horizontal plane, and this is your XY line. This is the first angle method of projection. Now consider your object is in the second quadrant here. Now your object is in the second quadrant here. Consider the transparent. Now where will be the front view go? It will go on the vertical plane. Where will be the top view go? It will go on the horizontal plane. Again the eyesight is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, so it is not able to analyze the top view properly. So we need to rotate it clockwise in the direction so as to get it clear. Now what happened? Both views are getting overlapped with each other, so one cannot able to analyze the differentiation between front view and top view. That's why second quadrant is not preferred. Now consider your object is here in the third quadrant. Now where will be the top view go? It will go. Where will the front view go? It will go on the vertical plane below that of the XY line, and top view will go on the horizontal plane. Now again we will rotate on the horizontal plane. Now what will happen? The top view will go above the XY line and front view will remain below XY line. So first angle method of projection and third angle method of projection are exactly reversed with each other. Generally in industries, third angle method of projections are preferred. Now consider your object is in the fourth quadrant. The front view will go on the vertical plane below that of the XY line, and top view will go on the horizontal plane. Again the top view is not analyzed as it is in the perpendicular to the eyesight of the observer. That's why we are rotating this in the clockwise direction by 90 degree. Now see what will happen. The top view and front view will get overlapped each other, so one cannot analyze the difference between them. In second quadrant and fourth quadrant, both views are overlapped, so second and fourth angle of method of projection is not preferred. Only first and third angle of method is preferred, and in academics only first angle method of projection is
PP
is preferred as far as the academics part is concerned.
left hand and right hand side with
Thank you all.